So suppose taking an example, if x is greater than 5, print else. So here x is greater than 5, x is 10, so this will print it. And if condition is false, then it will go to else condition. So if condition is true, only this line gets executed. If this condition is false, then only this line is getting executed. So we have another keyword like elif. So as for such condition, if x is greater than 4, elif have we declared anything here? Okay, not commented. So you can see that this line is executed. X is greater than 4, then it has been executed. So it won't go to any of these lines because this line is true. If it will be false, then only it will go to next. Suppose I have added 1. It is not greater than 4, then it will go to second. It is not greater than, it is less than 5, so it will go to second. So until it gets a true value, it will go on. So here x is less than 15, so it will come this point. So this will execute it. Suppose we have 20, we have as not all these conditions were wrong, it went to this one. So we have two types, if else and elif, elif, elif. So we keep on adding all the conditions here. So that's it from if and else. Thank you.